All right, guys, so this is my 2025 Tesla Model 3 Long Range Rear Wheel Drive. I've only had this exactly 2 months now, and the other night I was driving and must have got a small rock chip because the next day I came out to my windshield. It was hot the next day, and I got this big crack down the side here. And I was trying to see where the rock chip came from, what had happened. If you can see here, I'll try to zoom in as close as I can, but it's barely even noticeable. A tiny chip or something must have hit the windshield, must have been a rock, flipped up there, and then the next day when it was sitting in a parking lot, the windshield heated up, the inside heated up with the cab, and the windshield cracked like this. So I was surprised with how fragile this windshield is on these cars. I've never had this happen on another Tesla. This is the first windshield crack that I've had in the 7 Teslas I've had, but crazy to think how easily this cracked on me. Now, in regards to fixing the windshield, I'm actually got to get this replaced. This is not a repairable crack. It needs to be replaced completely. One thing I did is I opted for the Tesla windshield service plan, which this was offered when I got this car 2 months ago. It was offered for the first 30 days. I could opt in for their windshield protection program. It was $12 a month. With that, you can get one windshield replaced every 12 months at no cost. If you need a second or third replacement in that 12-month period, it's $100 per time. I thought that was a pretty good deal, especially because I do have glass coverage on my auto insurance for this car anyways, and I only have a $100 deductible, but I opted to get the Tesla coverage because I like that there was a no-cost replacement for the first windshield, so I'm definitely going to use that for this. I'll schedule it with the Tesla Service Center, and they'll take it in. Stay tuned to the channel for more updates for this repair process, what it's like, how quickly they can do it, in that regard. I didn't want to use my own auto insurance because anytime you make a claim on your auto insurance, it can affect claims. It can affect your renewal. If you're going to shop insurance, that's going to show up as a claim, and it can affect your renewal rates or the rates for the new policies that you're getting. So I wanted to avoid using my own. I am going to keep the existing glass coverage on this car. It's not very much to add the glass coverage with the $100 deductible, but I'm going to use that if I have problems with any of the other windows, like the glass roof or the rear hatch or any of the side windows. I'll probably use it for that. The Tesla coverage doesn't cover all the other glass. It only covers the windshield, which if you're going to get some kind of damage, it's most likely going to be to the windshield. Now, I was eligible to enroll in this program within the first 30 days of buying my car, but to my surprise, I was actually able to look at it for my other cars as well. So I have 2 Model Ys that I can add this on as well. So even if you've bought your car, if you owned your car for, let's say, 6 months, a year, 2 years, however long, you can get this coverage added to your car as well. There's just a simple inspection needed from the Tesla Service Center in order to add it on. So if you go into the app, under upgrades and then service plans, you'll see that there's a windshield protection as well as tire and wheel protection, which the tire wheel protection is pretty reasonably priced as well. I didn't add that on. I just did the windshield protection for right now. I'm very glad I added on the windshield protection because I'm actually going to have to use it now. But you can go into the app and see if your car is eligible, and then you can add it on for the whatever the cost it says there. I think the Model X might be a little bit more expensive, but Model 3, Model Y is $12 a month. That's what it is in my area. That's the cost that I'm getting. And all it requires is you take your car to the service center. They inspect it, make sure there's no pre-existing damage to the windshield, and then you can enroll in it. It's $12 a month. It is month to month, and if you cancel it, you would have to get it re-inspected in order to re-enroll in it. So it's not a long-term commitment. You can keep it for as long as you feel you might need it. I'm going to keep it on for the term of the lease. I have this Model 3 for 2 years, and I'm going to keep it on there the entire time because with having a lease vehicle, it needs to have like a windshield that's in good shape. So come lease return time, if I need to have a rock chip, I have a crack in it, I'm gonna need to get it replaced, and I'll be able to use this coverage to do that. So I think this is a great service that Tesla's offering. I think it's cool that Tesla's kind of expanding their protection of their vehicles, where you can even in the app there, you can under service plans, you can choose like extending the warranty. So if you want to, extend your bumper to bumper warranty, you can do that. You can add the tire and wheel protection, the windshield protection. And then also in a lot of states they have Tesla insurance. So Tesla's kind of bringing all of these protections for your car all in-house. And I haven't found the Tesla insurance, auto insurance, to be very competitive. My personal policy is cheaper than what Tesla offers, so I don't use that right now. But I think the protection for the wheel and tires is good, as well as the windshield. So guys, this is eligible. See if your car is eligible by going into the app. You can add it on, and I think it's a cool service. So guys, I wanted to pass this info along. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll keep you guys updated on the repair process, how it works, how easy it was, kind of a full overview of that process. So I'm also really surprised. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had windshields break as easily as this one has. I'm surprised that this one got a chip, a micro-sized chip, rock chip, and it expanded very rapidly and basically destroyed the entire windshield on this. So I'm curious if you guys had that same experience. Leave your comments down below, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.